Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.7 question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. That means we have to find the LCM of the numbers 6, 8 and 12. Let us find the LCM, right? The question is determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Therefore, first of all we have to find the LCM of the number 6, 8 and 12, right? Therefore, we are finding the LCM of the number 6, 8 and 12. Okay, we are finding the LCM, that is the numbers is 6, 8, 12. Let us find 6, 8 and 12. Let us find, we divide it by 2 first, that is 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8 and 2 6 is 12. Again by 2 we will divide, this is 3, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Again we will divide it by 3, that is 3 1 is 3, 2 cannot be divisible and 3 1 is 3, right? Therefore, LCM will be, we will find the LCM here, LCM, that is lowest common multiple. LCM lowest common multiple is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. What is the answer? Number is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Now see LCM means lowest common multiple, that is 24. This 24 is divisible by 6, 8 and 12 also. Here you see here 24 divisible by 6, that is 4 6 is 24, and divisible by 8 also 3 is 24, and divisible by 12 also 12 is 24. Now the question is determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. But what we find? We find that the 24 is a 2-digit number. But we have to find the 3-digit number which should be exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12, right? Therefore, we have to find the table of 24. Table of 24. Table of 24. Right? Table of 24, or that is 24 into 1 is equal to 24. 24 into 2 is equal to 4 is 8, 2 is 4, 48, and 24 into 3, 3 4 is 12, carry 1, 3 is 6, 72, and 24 into 4, that is 4 4 is 16, 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 96, and 24 into 5, that is 4 4 is 20, 0, 2 0, 30 is 10, 11, 12, 120, 120. Now you see that the smallest 3-digit number is 120. Here you see, and 120 is a multiple of 24. Therefore, we can say that this number, that 120, is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12, right? We find the LCM first. LCM is 24, right? After that we find the table of 24. Here we get 96 is divisible, but it is 2-digit number, and the smallest 3-digit number is 120. Therefore we can say, therefore you can say the smallest 3-digit number 3-digit number is 120, which is exactly exactly divisible by exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. This is the answer, right? What do you find out? Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. First of all, we have to find the LCM of 6, 8, 12, which is 24. And after that, we have to find the table of 24, that is 24 into 1 is 24, 24 into 2 is 48, 24 into 3 is 72, 24 into 4 is 96 and 24 into 5 is 120. We have to find the smallest three digit number. Therefore 120 is the answer. Therefore the smallest three digit number is 120, which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. That is the solution of question number 4.